Hello everybody, welcome to Raphael Math Room. Today we'll solve an interesting, tremendous exponential math question. The question is 5 to the power t equal t to the power 625. The value of t is what? So this bracket 5 power t bracket 1 divided by t equal t power 625 bracket 1 divided by t. Then 5 power t 1 times 1 power t equal t to the power 625 times 1 divided by t. Here we use a exponential math formula. The formula was like, e to the power m bracket power n equal e to the power m times n. This formula is very useful to solve this math. Now this time we'll take 5 power 1 because this t and this t will cancel out. Now we can write equal 5 equal t to the power 625 divided by t. According to this exponential math formula, this t to the power 625 by t. Now we can write 5 power 1 by 625 equal t to the power 625 divided by t times 1 divided by 625. Now we can write t to the power 1 by divided by t equal 5 to the power 1 by 625, because here this 625 and this 625 will be cancelled out. Now we can write this t to the power 1 divided by t equal 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 625. We can write this now t to the power 1 by t equal t to the 5 to the power 5 dot 1 by 5 cross 625. Why I write this 625 equal times 5? Because we know here 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 equal 5 to the power 5. This 5 times 5 equal 25. This 5 times 5 equal 25, and this 5 equal 5. Now we can write this 25 times 25 equal 625 times 5 equal 3125. So we can write t to the power 1 divided by t equal 5 to the power 5 bracket 1 call 5 divided by 5 times 625. Now we can write here t to the power 1 by t equal 3000 125 bracket 1 to the power 3125, because we saw here that 625 times 5 equal 3125. This and this is same, so we can write this. Now according to exponential formula, we can write t to the power 1 by t equal equal 3125 bracket 1 divided by 3125. Now we can write this 1 divided by t equal 1 divided by 3125. So we can write now t equal 3125. So and now this tire we can write according to the exponential question, t to the 5 equal t to the power 625. So we are uh, replace this t's value is 3125 equal 3125 bracket over 625 equal 5 to the power or 3125 equal 3125 625. So we can write 5000 to the power 3125 equal 5 to the power 5 equal 625. So 5 to the power 3125 equal 5 to the power 3125. So left hand side equal right hand side, proved. So this is the full answer. So thank you to all of you guys. If you like this exponential math question solving tricks, then follow my Rafael math room and it will be very help me. And don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye everyone.